red alert has been issued by weather department in Mumbai and Maharashtra. There is a different districts where this red alert has been issued by weather department, where Thane, Mumbai, Palghar, and many other district has been included by weather department. Weather department sources are telling that there could be a very heavy rains in Mumbai today. We had seen from last night there is massive pouring of rain in Mumbai, and after the first rain, there has been lot of waterlogging in many areas of Mumbai. We are standing at Juhu Beach, which is the famous place in Mumbai where thousands of people visit every day. But now, after the red alert, which has been issued by weather department, the normal people have not been allowed to come inside for their safety. There has been many precautionary measures which has been taken by BMC and other agency, where you can see lifeguard has been placed, Mumbai police has been placed over here. They are telling everyone to not come inside the gate of Juhu beach because it can be risky. If you can see the waves, they are massive, massive waves coming over in Juhu beach area. This is a very famous place where thousands of people visit every day. So now what is important is that some major 2 to 3 hours will be very much important for Mumbai and rest of the region, which has been said by weather department, because it's raining heavily in some places in Mumbai. But where we are right now, this is called as Mumbai suburb. But over here, there is windy situations, but rain is not pouring very heavily. But it will be very important to see how rain will reflect in few hours, because weather department has already issued the red warning in Mumbai.